Anybody is a candidate for cosmetic dentistry because cosmetic dentistry doesn't necessarily mean coming in and getting your teeth made over, or having all your teeth changed. It could be that you want to have your teeth whitened. It could mean that you want to have your teeth straightened. It could mean that you have some little imperfection on just a couple of teeth. And if you want to know the truth, and anybody that knows anything about cosmetic dentistry will tell you this, the most difficult thing, the most difficult procedure is for that person who has the perfect teeth, except for maybe that one front tooth that has a problem with. Because that's the most difficult thing that there is making that one tooth match everything that they have.
I came to see Dr. Krauss because about 2 years ago, I had an accident where my tooth was knocked out, and so I had to wear a flipper or like a retainer type of thing for about 2 years. And I went to go see a bunch of dentists, and they all said all these things, a year, 6 months, I'd have to wear all these type of things and have all kinds of different surgery type things done. And so I came to Dr. Krauss, and he said 2 weeks. 2 weeks I can fix your teeth and your smile will be perfect as new. What a big difference that's been. Before, I never would smile, ever. I never would. Even before my tooth had got knocked out, I had a gap in my teeth before, so I'd never smiled then either. I had braces for 4 years, and that still didn't make me feel any more confident. And then when all this happened and when Dr. Krauss fixed my smile, I feel like I have a pretty smile now. And I get told all the time how much of a pretty smile I have.
Everything from those small things to the big things where you're completely redoing somebody's their smile, in all their teeth. And not only restoring how their teeth look, but giving them the function. To come in and redo somebody's smile is a great thing to offer, but to take into consideration other things besides that you're concerned not only with making sure the teeth look beautiful, but make sure that everything comes together right, to make sure that the patient doesn't have a problem not only as soon as you get done with the treatment, but years down the road. In other words, where you just kind of forget about it.
I came to see Dr. Krauss because I had had some porcelain veneers put on back in 2005. And I thought I was doing the right thing. I had done my interviews, and I picked what I believed was a reputable dentist. I had to go back to the dentist after he put porcelain veneers on me. I had to go back to him 23 times over a 1.5 year period. And the porcelain veneers kept cracking and falling off, and I was in a great deal of pain. And Dr. Krauss had been my regular dentist, but I thought I needed to go, to some big name person to have these porcelain veneers put on. And I thought I was doing the right thing, and it was horrific. So I said to Dr. Krauss, I don't know what to do. I've spent all this money. I've had these porcelain veneers put on. I just want a beautiful smile. He said, give me the opportunity. I can give you the smile that you really want. And so he did. And I was really apprehensive about it. And I thought, oh gosh, I can't believe I'm going to go through this all over again. He made it so easy for me. It was quick, it was efficient, it was professional, and I knew what I was going to get. He asked lots of questions. He really listened to what I wanted. And I knew that the teeth that I'd had before were too big. I wanted them smaller. I wanted them a different color. And he heard me, not just as a dentist, but as a friend. And he really took care of me and said, you are going to get what you want. And I said, oh, please tell me they're not going to fall off anymore. And he said, I promise you, you're not going to lose a veneer. So here I am today, and it's been a year since I've had my porcelain veneers put on, and my whole life has changed. I feel now so comfortable to be able to smile. I don't have to worry when I go out to dinner that I'm going to lose my front tooth and be humiliated in public. So I would recommend to anybody that wants to go to Dr. Krauss, don't hesitate, and don't feel that you need to go down to Los Angeles or to San Francisco or to some of the other dentists that advertise a lot, because Dr. Krauss has everything you could ever want. So I trust in him, and I'm happy with my smile.
He has improved my smile because now I can smile, whereas before I had kind of kept my teeth like that because I had problems with the bottom teeth and problems with the top teeth, and he's capped them and made them look good. He made them white. They had put me on a tetracycline and my teeth had turned very yellow, and so I didn't smile very much, but now they're white again.
Absolutely. I had sort of a, not a pronounced, but sort of a protruding teeth, and he fixed that so my teeth are nice and straight and my smile is very pleasant. And in fact, people remark about what a nice smile I have. And when you're an old lady like me, that means a lot. My advice is please, please go see Dr. Krauss. Whatever your issue is, I'm sure that he can work it out for you and take care of you so that you will feel better about yourself and be able to smile and pass it along to everybody.
My advice to someone who's unhappy with their smile is to go and do something about it. Come in and get a consultation and find out what your options are, because until you do, nothing is going to change. As soon as you take action and do something about it, because I guarantee you we're going to be able to give you what you want. It's not always about veneers. Sometimes other options may be the way to go. For example, Invisalign, tooth whitening, or other minor cosmetic procedures that can be done to give you a beautiful smile. I would suggest that you get yourself an appointment, come in, let's meet one-on-one to design the smile that you've always dreamed of.